Might as well try one of these Debbie cakes. If you're new, I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. Well, we're all feeling a little pinch at the pump and at the grocery store with some tips to keep your outdoor dining tablescapes refreshed on a budget. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Tip number one is to use what you already have. I purchased this outdoor metal dining table set over 10 years ago. And although it's a little rocky, it's still solid. And the difference between, let's say, starting at $219 for a new set or spending $3 for a can of spray paint, I'll need about 2.5 cans of spray paint. It's a no-brainer. We're going with the spray paint. So tip number one, use what you have, refresh and reuse. If you've been with me for a while, then you know one of my most important tips is purchase items you truly love so you don't have a problem using them over and over again. And then also reimagine your items. Like today, I'm using my placemats as a runner. I'm also mixing highs and lows, things that are cheap and things that are really, really cheap. Of course, any items that I can link will be linked in the description box below for your shopping convenience because you know I have an Amazon and a Walmart storefront that is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Make sure to stop by and shop. Shop a while. Tip number 3, whatever you're doing for family and friends, make sure to give it the priceless touch. Always let them know how special and loved they are. My final tip for today: whenever you're hosting an outdoor experience, dining experience, especially in the spring and summer, opt for fresh florals. This tablescape would be perfect for mom and I for a pre-Mother's Day mom and daughter breakfast or brunch, because you know that's what we love doing here on the Johnson Ranch. Much for stopping by for today's video. And if you're new, consider subscribing and becoming a part of my priceless family. And to all of my loyal subscribers, you know I appreciate your continued support. Everyone, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below. And I look forward to seeing you real soon. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Well, might as well try one of these Debbie cakes.